Sekyo. For the first time, we have to register an account. Under device icon, we could see register code. Scan that barcode. We need to provide background running permission for the mobile app. Then only it can establish live connection with the watch. This is the interface of the app after login. In the map, we can see the live location of the device along with the battery backup status. At the top, we could see contact list, chat and call device buttons. The chat option is a group chat between the family members. Family members means those who install the mobile application and connect the watch. Under Alert Center, we could see SOS alert, Safe Zone alert and low battery alert. Under this option, we can set the location tracking frequency. We can set the frequency to every 10 minutes or every 1 hour. We can also manually check the location. We can set the SOS contact list here. The power button also works as an SOS button. If we press and hold the SOS button for more than 3 seconds, it will initiate a call to the emergency contact list along with an SMS showing the current location of the device. Here is the button to video call. Don't expect much quality from watch camera. It's just a VJ cam. Reward is not a significant feature. It is just to encourage our kids to perform well. Disable in school. Under this option, we can disable the extra features of the watch in school. Anyway, most of the school will not allow this watch. We can set the alarm here. Play sound on device. It is just to locate the watch. When we click on the button, the watch starts to ring. Sound Guardian. Using this option, we can get a secret call from the watch and we can hear the sound around. It's something like a spy call. This will be a one-way call. That means we can't talk back. This is to disable the dial pad in watch, so we'll not be able to call other number than the contact list. Another spy option. Using this feature, we can secretly take a picture from the watch. Under this option, we can see the SMS coming to this number. By enabling this option, we can block unknown incoming calls. The other options are time zone, language, LBS, reset device, remote restart, and remote shutdown. If you feel my videos are helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.